Guys, this Mepass project is just paying us more than Pi Network. Pi Network is $1.3. Mepass, one Mepass token is 3.60 something dollars. So guys, Pulse is learning in value to this particular Mepass project. Alright guys, let me take you around and show you how you can be able to accumulate this Mepass token and how to navigate through this site. Follow me on my TikTok account. If you're watching from Facebook, follow me. If you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and go to my bio on TikTok. Follow me on WhatsApp channel. Go to my bio on Facebook. My WhatsApp channel link is there. Please follow me. I love you guys, and please help me share this video. One love. Stay around and see how you can navigate. All right guys, this is the app, okay, of Mepass. All right, so follow the link in the description of this video or in the comment section to register so that you can be able to download it. Now open the app. I'm trying to log in. Now I've logged in. All right, so how do you participate and how do you earn this token now? First of all, after registering, you have to do verification. They will do you a verification. This verification lasts for 24 hours to 48 hours sometimes, but they stated here that it takes 24 hours, but these days it takes 2 to 3 days. Now you see the normal verification, which is me ID. I have passed it. That is why I'm able to see this card, my me ID card. Now there is a second verification, but it's not necessary unless you have accumulated this token, this which is here, this one you're seeing here, which is here, this one you're seeing here. So this one you're seeing here is the one that once you click, you use your ID card, your document to make verification on it. But the Mepass own is just a facial ID so that you can start mining and accumulate the token. So this one now, the advanced verification is if you want to, if you do it and pass it, you can be able to trade on their P2P exchange, which is mexp2p.com, MECP2 2 digits p.com. Once you've verified this advanced, you can now trade there. Just like every other place, you can now go and sell your token. Just like normal P2P. If you've done P2P before. That is just it. Now, after they've verified you, the next thing you need to start doing now is coming here. You start doing daily check-in. You come here. Check-in. I've checked in for 6 days, right? That is that 6D. Now, because I've checked in, I cannot, it's not highlighted. But if you've not checked in, it will be highlighted in green. Then you click on it. If I click on it, it will open. So I've done my check-in. And I've done check-in for 6 days from what you can see on the screen, okay? Now, most times for people who are new to this project, the word they write up, this word, this thing they write here, is the same thing they will write down, but give a space in between it. Now, and they will remove one word and tell you to find the word. You will just have to read this thing I circled. That is where you find the missing word to use and fill in the gap. The white blank space. That is what you need to do. Then you sign in on check-in. And that's it. And you wait for the countdown. They will tell you congratulations. Now, that doesn't earn you faster. Now, if you want to earn faster from this thing, come here. See here. Invite. Okay? Click on invite and read what is written here. Read what is written here. For each new user you invite, you will receive 0.1 mex. So if you invite somebody, they will give you 0.1 mex. But they will not give you 0.1 mex until that person passes the face verification, which is the me ID face verification. Once that person has passed it, they approve it. Now you get that 0.1. That is how to earn faster on this project. It no pass like this. Okay? That is just it. If there is any other thing you don't understand, then I don't know how else to explain it to you, because I've explained this and I pointed this thing out in a layman language. All right? Now, if you've accumulated this token and want to sell to USDT, see where you go. You open your browser. First, you need to connect the peer-to-peer website with this app. Let me go to, where's Chrome? Then I type MEX, sorry, MEC. This is the website. This is the website. Sorry. MECP2P.com. Go. You visit the site. Let it load. Now the website I've loaded. You come here, see here, down here, Mepass. You don't have to sign up normally. You will just have to click Mepass and connect it with your Mepass app. That is, you will sign up using your Mepass account. That is their exchange, their P2P exchange. So you click on it. Then you draw this line from here, this way. Now it will open the app and ask you to connect. You click connect. This authorization, the authorization failed because, reason being because I have not passed my advanced verification. So my own coin, I do send it to one of my admin on WhatsApp, which she is verified. She has verified her documents on this advanced verification. Now they help me. So she's the one helping me to sell my MEX coin to USDT. Once I'm verified, now I will now do another video by myself, selling by myself, so that you all can see it. Alright? It no pass like this. So guys, help me share this video. Alright? This is free money. So far so good. I've been able to make a lot of money from this project. Alright? So just put in effort and you will smile. A lot of people are fetching and cashing out a lot of money from this particular project, Mepass. And I love you guys.